Rachel Keller here. Just wanted to, first of all, introduce myself, my new doppelganger. I still have to figure out how to say that, but it's the Fearless Millionaire, okay? What I want to share with you today is we are having a live event tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I really want you to come. Why? Because it's talking about the 7 steps or the 7 mistakes that people make in the small business. And what we're going to do is we're going to cover that. As you all may know, I went to an event in Denver last weekend, and we are coming out with a system. Our team is coming out with a system that is going to change the way you do business. And just to kind of give you a tip of what we're going to talk about and what's going to happen is we're going to reveal some material that we have, a different way of marketing. They're not the typical marketing that we've always done. It's kind of a combination of mixing the old direct marketing with the internet marketing. And then, we have pretty much where if you get involved with our team, you pretty much don't have to do anything no more than drive traffic to your website. We have people that will call your leads for you. They'll close the sales. We have packets already put together that look very professional. What we've done is we've taken all the guesswork out of internet marketing, building your own business. Whereas before, and I can tell you this for myself, being on a computer all day long, trying to, do this and do that, this is going to eliminate all of that. So if you're kind of like, been like online, a long time, or you're just, you're tired of struggling, you're tired of, where do I get the leads, and then how do I follow with the leads, and I don't have time to do this, and that, this is going to take away all of that, because you're going to even have access to what we call PBAs. And there are people that will actually call and close your sales for you, and they'll sell every product that you own. So I'm going to encourage you to come hang out with us tonight so you can get all the details, because I'm just kind of giving you some bits and pieces. But you really don't want to miss this event. So come on and hang out with us. Come and see what we're talking about. And if it's not anything that you want, then you're free to leave. Don't stay. But I really want you to come. 2, I believe you can get a lot of value out of this. So I will see you in a couple hours. Take care. Have a great day.